This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of 7D. It's a definite integral. Now, I've got, underneath the square root, I've got an x, mine minus x, which is a linear. And outside here, I've got x, which is a linear. So I'm going to have to do a linear substitution. So when I have a linear inside my square root that I can't expand out, and I've got an x there, then I do a linear substitution. So I'll make u equal to 1 minus x, which means du dx equals minus 1. So du equals minus dx. That's one substitution that I will do. That's another substitution that I will do. And I know that x equals 1 minus u. So when x equals 0, u will equal 1 minus 0, or u equals 1. And when x equals 1, u is going to equal 1 minus 1, so u will equal 0. So now for the substitution. Instead of x equaling 0, I'm going to have u equaling 1. And instead of x equaling 1, I'm going to have u equaling 0. I know that x equals 1 minus u, so I've got 1 minus u times the square root of u, negative, so I'll put a negative out the front, du. Negative dx, I'll put a negative out the front. So du is negative dx, so that becomes that. Okay, I'm going to turn my integral into a positive by swapping my terminals, and I'm going to multiply, so I have u to the half minus u to the 3 on 2 du, which equals u to the 3 on 2 over 3 times 2 minus u to the 5 on 2 over 5 on 2 from 0 to 1, which equals 2/3 when I substitute a 1 in, minus 2/5, and when I substitute a 0 and I get 0, and that equals 10 minus 6/15, or 4/15 is my answer.